Hi there, and welcome to another Archy learning video. Today, we're going to be talking about 5 tips for creating an amazing online course. Let's get started. Number 1, keep things simple. Good design is as little design as possible, and the same goes for when you're designing your course. Everything from your sales page to your course curriculum should revolve around being understood by as many people as possible. Some educators think that hurling all their content at their audience at once will do the trick, but this often overwhelms their audience, and they don't know where to begin, yet alone learn from your content. The most effective way to keep things simple is by way of videos, images, and short quizzes. Another effective approach is to break down your content into multiple bite-sized courses. That way, students can consume your content quickly, you can spread your revenue across multiple focus areas, and you can get a better understanding for what content your audience loves. Number 2, understand your audience. Before building your brand, courses, or site pages, the first thing we recommend doing is understanding exactly who your customer and audience is. This might seem easier said than done, but a simple trick to this is to remember what your pain points were before creating your curriculum. At the end of the day, you are your ideal customer. Additionally, creating a list of your ideal customer interests, websites, and social media accounts will help you really understand your customer at a personal level. Understanding who your customer is will not only allow you to create a relatable product, but it will drastically assist you in the marketing of your course because you'll know exactly who to target. Number 3, limit your text. This one's simple. Limit how much you use text as a method to teach. The vast majority of your audience will have a far more engaging experience with your course if you use mixed media. Videos, images, quick quizzes, and exams should be used within your course material. You can also help your audience take a break by adding a video game on Archy. Now before we go on, if you found this video helpful at all, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more videos. Tip number 4, avoid overcomplication. There are many ways to deliver your course content, but one tip to keep in mind regardless of your medium is not to overcomplicate your delivery.
And where are you?
I just told you.
Stick to one concept at a time. An easy way to do this is to break your concepts down into lessons, modules, images, or videos. This will help your students progress through your course and reduce potential drop-off. You want to make sure that your course can be understood by as many people as possible. By using jargon, overly specific terminology, or acronyms without clear and simple description, you can intimidate your students before they'd had a chance to understand what you're actually teaching. And tip number 5, use gamification. Now, it's no secret that gamification has been proven to keep audiences engaged, but it's also been proven to increase retention rates. Luckily for you though, Archy has made it easy for you to implement gamification throughout your course, and here's how. Trophy Case. Trophy Case is a native feature within Archy. It rewards your students with badges and trophies as they spend more time studying. High marks in a quiz, time spent on Archy, and studying consistency are just a few milestones that are rewarded on Archy. Using quizzes are a great way to break up your course content, and Archy gives you features like image responses and video titles to keep things fun and engaging. Well, that about wraps up our video for today. What are some methods that you use within your course creation? We'd love to hear about them in the comments. And for more information about Archy, head to archylearning.com.